Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl MILANI and welcome back to another video. So for today's, why am I going like this? So for today's video, by the title you guys already know what we're getting ourselves into. Today we have another foundation try-on review. So pretty much we have another, what is wrong with my hands today? We have another complexion video review, which you guys know those are one of my favorites and I love. And there are so many foundations coming out like back to back to back that like has my head spinning a little bit. So you guys are going to see a lot of foundations review coming up. But today I'm going to be showing you guys the Fenty Beauty Eaze Drop Skin Tint. I'm super excited to try it out and show you guys. So if you guys want to see how this works on my skin, how it looks, how I use it, the shade that I use, and all the information that I can provide to you guys, then just keep on watching this video. Okay, so let's talk about this skin tint. I went ahead and I went to the Sephora page on my phone just to look a little bit more information on it, and I'm gonna read it to you guys so that we can have a little bit more understanding on what this is. So it is called Eaze Drop Blurring Skin Tint by Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. I believe she comes in 25 different shades. On the website it says this is a lightweight, buildable, light to medium coverage skin tint that leaves the skin blurred and smooth in flexible shades for all. Let's see, it is an easy to apply flexible skin tint Rihanna wanted to create. It quickly and visibly evens out your complexion with a blurred effect. The Hydro Blend Complex and Humidity, Sweat, and Transfer Resistant formula has a smooth texture that layers well with primers and skincare. Okay, so as you guys can see, I'm a little glowy because I do have my skincare from earlier, but I am gonna apply a little more oils and moisturizer and goods that I really do enjoy. So I went ahead first, I didn't show you guys this because I did it on my own, but I used the In Beauty mist. So I went ahead and I sprayed it all over my face, and that's pretty much what I have on so right now. And then other than my skincare from earlier, like I said, now I'm gonna go ahead and take my Banana Souffle from Glow Recipe. This is an amazing moisturizer. Let me put my mirror. This is an amazing moisturizer that I really love. Did have a few visitors this month, so they're there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply some oil. I'm gonna be taking the PIXI Beauty priming oil. I love applying oil before my foundation. I just feel like my skin really appreciates it. Okay, so for today's primer, I'm going to be using the MILANI Supercharged Dewy primer. I believe this has some vitamin C and some good goods to help with discoloration. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a setting powder. I'm taking the MILANI Cosmetics setting powder. I don't know what shade. Oh, this is the shade medium. I like to use one that's kind of like close to my skin tone. So it does give me like a little bit of coverage, but it also helps out with like getting oily throughout the day. Took this step from Jackie, I know I always say that, but yeah, I really love doing this. Okay, so now that we're ready for the queen of the show, this is the Fenty Beauty Eaze Drop Skin Tint. This is the little box that it comes in. I am using the shade 14. And I did buy this myself. I went to Sephora and I picked it up. So hopefully it matches me. You can't really be, because of COVID and everything, you can't go to Sephora and like, you know, sample yourself with the the ones that they have for like demo can't do that anymore. So I kind of went with my judgment. I'm pretty good usually, so I hope I came through again. But this is what the component inside looks like. It's very tiny, you guys. Like, look at my hand. I mean, I have a pretty, I guess, average, I feel like an average hand. I have pretty long fingers, but it's very tiny. So it's very nice, like travel friendly, I guess, because it will fit anywhere. It's very like not so thick. It's very slim. I like the components. Kind of like shaped like a diamond, I guess. Really cute. Okay, it has 32 milliliters, 1.08 fluid ounces. If you guys want to know. Seeing a lot of people apply this with their fingers, but I'm really not in a finger applier application person. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my brush for this step. I'm using the Morphe E63 that I really loved. I actually used it on my last video and I fell in love with. I think this is a little darker.
And because I was like, do I do Orange Theory or do I do that?
Okay, so it's not that it's a bad shade, but I feel like it's a little too orange for me, maybe a little too dark. I'm sure I can make it work, okay? But I'm just saying, like, if I were just to apply this and be like, yes, let's go, I look a little too orange. So I might have to pick up like a lighter shade, maybe change this one for a lighter shade. I mean, it does look really beautiful on the skin. It's like, it feels super lightweight, super natural, still kept my glow on the skin. So I really like that. I just feel like the shade is a little bit off for me. Just a little bit off, a little bit off. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my makeup, like super natural. It's just to really try out this tint. I'm gonna take the Makeup Revolution concealers. Guys, so let's talk a little. How did you guys feel while I do my makeup? Let's do a little chit chat. Like I said, I'm not gonna do anything crazy. I'm just going to do like an everyday makeup, just so that you guys see how the skin tint looks and how it performs and stuff. But how did you guys feel with so much? Because I feel like there's been a lot of releases lately, like a lot of complexion products, which I'm really not mad, because as a content creator, I love products when they come out so that I can review for you guys. But I'm also a consumer, like, you know, I still buy makeup, like this foundation that I bought to review for you guys. So how do you guys feel with like so many stuff coming out at the same time? Let me know. I would love to know. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and I set my under eyes. I'm just doing a little nose contour right now. Powder that I use under my eyes is the Essence powder. I use the My Skin Perfector Essence powder. I love those powders. They're super affordable and they're really, really good. Okay, so we're gonna do a little nose contour. But you guys, I feel like the beauty, well, not just the beauty community, honestly, it's just like internet community, like everywhere. Everybody is getting canceled. Like, people are crazy. Like, there's so much going on. Like, TikTokers, Instagrammers, YouTubers, like, just like everyone. It's like going crazy. And I don't get it. I don't get why. Like, wasn't 2020 enough? Like, didn't we go through enough already? Like, can we chill? Can we all love each other? Jesus Christ, everybody is so crazy. And that is why I will never understand why people like can just like their thing. Like, if you're in makeup, if you're a TikToker, if you're like a vlogger, a foodie, whatever it is that you create, whatever content creator you're on social media, like, why can some people just like mind their business and stay in their lane. Like, do what you do, and that's it. Mind your business. Like, I do understand there are some people that their business is to be in your business, and I mean, it is what it is, but I feel like everybody nowadays has an opinion about everything. Like, if it doesn't concern you, keep it to yourself. I don't know, that's just my opinion. I don't get in people's shit. I might snoop and look at it, but I ain't gonna give my opinion on it unless my opinion is asked. Ain't nobody care what I think about the drama that's going on social media. I am using the KVD Beauty contour palette. Love this palette. It's an oldie but a goodie. I'm gonna go ahead and take the COLORSTAY Satin Ink lipstick in the color, what's this, 002, which is Wild Ride. I'm gonna use one of my favorite mascaras at the moment. It is the Real Magnet Mascara from Benefit. I have been very obsessed with it lately because it really accentuates my lashes. Okay guys, and this is why I'm obsessed with this mascara. You guys see this eye? No mascara. This was 2 coats of mascara right here. I am applying some blush. This is from ColourPop. I think this was a Valentine's collection. Ooh, it's broken. Okay. This was like a Valentine's collection, I believe they came out with, and I really like these blushes. They were really, really nice. Okay, you guys, and we're done. This is the little quick glam that I created. This is pretty much what I do usually if I have to go somewhere. Like, most of the time when I go out with my friends, I don't do my eye makeup. I just do a little something. I mean, it is quite a lot of makeup products probably, but it's very little for what I usually do when I go like full on glam. But I love it. As you guys can see, I feel the foundation the skin tint completely changed up, and it looks so much better with my skin tone when I started to apply my contour, concealer and blush and all of that stuff. It completely changed up from the beginning, where I felt that it was more orangey, a little bit darker than my skin tone. Like I said, I can't always make things work most of the time unless it's like really, really bad. But if I were to wear it alone, I feel like it was like just the skin tint by itself, I feel like it would be a little too dark, and I would probably go with something a little bit lighter. Like I said, I did use shade 14 just in case you guys would like to know. So I might go ahead and change this up for something a little bit lighter, because I would like to try it like on its own, like I'm going to the beach and I just want a little something on my skin kind of thing. I really do love it. My skin looks absolutely amazing. Love how it feels on my skin. It feels super, super lightweight. I feel like I have nothing on. And for the days where my skin is, you know, behaving a little bit, except for this little pimple that we turned into a birthmark, but other than that, I feel like it's great, you know, if you don't have a lot to cover, or if you really just don't even care, because, you know, sometimes I do have my pimples and I don't want something super crazy like matte and full cover. Sometimes I just want to, you know, have something on my skin to give me a little bit of coverage, because sometimes we have like those little manchitas, those dark spots that this can absolutely like kind of, you know, smooth out and cover a little bit but still feel like my skin. So I absolutely love this skin tint. For sure we'll continue to use it. I am debating on either returning this one and getting a lighter one, or just buying another one and keeping this one for like when I do kind of like makeup like this, and then buy another one for when I just want to like apply it by itself a little bit lighter. But we will see, I guess, on that. Not sure if I mentioned this before, but the skin tint retails for $29.50, so $30 on Sephora and Fenty Beauty. So just in case you guys want to go ahead and grab your own. But you guys, we're at the end of today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Let me know down below if you guys are gonna get it, if you guys have, what shade. Just talk to me on the comment section. We'd love to hear you guys' thoughts. If you guys like today's video, you guys already know the deal. You guys already know. Make sure that you guys give this video a like. Make sure that you guys subscribe down below and turn those bell notifications on so that you guys are notified whenever we upload a new video. If you guys would like to stay updated with moi, make sure that you guys come and follow me on my Instagram. My name is MILANI K, same as here. I love to have you guys there. I'm also trying to be a TikToker, same name, MILANI K. I don't know how it's really going, but I'm trying to be active over there. So if you guys want to follow me there, you guys are also welcome to come. But anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it and learned something, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.